So today we have photo shoot with ver or direct ver. So we will use the Fujifilm GFX, Fujifilm S5 Pro GFX. Wala akong GFX. Fujifilm S5 Pro. So we'll try to use the Fujifilm S5 Pro for the photo shoot today. I don't know what's the concept, but I think it's a baby photo shoot. I'm sure. So let's try to use the S5 Pro and also film camera. So tara. We're here in the location at Shahid Park. Yan, Shahid Park, Kuwait. The location. Tower. Yan, dito tayo sa Shahid Park. Yon. So we're going to Iris Studio or for Mr. Bashara Studio. So ayan ang map, right? Oh, I saw it already. The Iris Studio, only in the highway. This what way this one? Arabic eh. Easa Al-Qatamis. Yeah, from Easa Al-Qatamis Street. Yeah, this is Al-Qatami Street, and that is the Iris Studio. Yeah. Yun. The Iris Studio. Let's go. It's near in the mosque. Yeah. So, guys, this is the Iris Studio, and we will print our roll. So let's go inside. Photog FQ8 Iris Studio FQ8. Yon. So let's go inside. Hello. Can I have
Hello, John Olinar. How can I help?
develop my print? Film, yes. I have one roll here. Yes. Thank you. This is the Iris Studio, guys. Yun. If you want to develop your film. You have film?
We have
How much the film?
6K.
6KD? Okay. How many pieces you have now?
Only one piece.
Only one piece.
Very limited edition.
Okay, but yeah, this is the Iris Studio, guys. If you want to develop your film here in Kuwait, if you are near in Salmiya, come and yeah.
What is the phone number?
Okay, 658.
658.
So thank you, sir. What's your name, sir? Mr. Sanub. So shout out to Mr. Sanub and also to Mr. Bishara. Mr. Bishara, thank you for for the printing. Not printing, scanning. Yes, and at least I'm near here in Salmiya. So guys, if you are here in Salmiya, Kuwait, if you want to develop your film, then come here in Iris Studio. What is the street of this? Block 10, right? This is Block 10 from Salmiya. Easa Al-Qatam. I will put the Instagram. You have Instagram, right? I'll put the Instagram and the link for the Iris Studio if you want to develop your film. So guys, yun nga guys, so again, it's done. We sent already the film and we will wait for the scan photos from Iris Studio. So again guys, if you are here in Kuwait, if you want to develop your film, negative film, just go to Iris Studio and you have your film develop and scan. So I think that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna show you the sample photos from AV-1 film and also for the Fujifilm S5 Pro with the Helios lens. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna show you all the photo, not all, I'm gonna show you some photo sample photos for the Fujifilm S5 Pro and our film, our first roll of films. So guys, enjoy and